graphic, bloody, and supposed to be for adult eyes only, but children are buying and playing violent video games. Now, the U.S. Supreme Court may make it illegal to sell the explicit games to kids. The 33's Don Tongish takes a look at how the court's ruling could change the rules.
Amanda, if you've seen these violent video games, you know there are stabbings, even beheadings. California and 6 other states passed laws banning the sale of these videos to kids, but those were all deemed unconstitutional. Now the High Court will decide if these games should be for adult eyes only.
Oh yeah, Pips. I shall beat you.
The Bunnell house in Southlake is all boy.
Dude, stop switching it.
With Blake, Chase, RJ, and Trent, video games are popular but limited to weekends and those rated E for everyone. Still, the oldest says at a friend's house he played an M for mature.
He gave me a controller and I'm like all playing and I'm killing dudes. And I'm all like, wow, why is there so much killing in this?
Those kinds of violent video games are again up for debate because in many instances a minor may be able to walk in a store and buy one. This mother prefers limits on sales to children.
I think that it's very difficult with them with peer pressure, and they might make decisions that otherwise they wouldn't make if I was present. I really would like that we all work together to protect our children's innocence to the best that we can.
But the gaming industry argues the violent games are protected under the First Amendment. It's a debate the Supreme Court is prepped to decide. Is the sale of a violent game to a minor free speech?
There are beheadings. There are stabbings. I mean, it's some really, really violent material.
Appellate attorney Ryan Clinton says the High Court has already upheld bans of games with sexual content to minors and may be willing to expand limits to include violence.
I think the vast majority of people would say that children shouldn't have free access to this. So the question simply for the court is, will it allow states to ban it, which is really allowing local communities to make decisions with regard to how they're going to raise their own kids.
Sports to the game.
If not, the Bunnells, like many families, will have to rely on parental control to make sure young little eyes aren't exposed to an M. The gaming industry makes the argument it has standards and doesn't sell those mature games to children. But experts say self-policing doesn't always work. In 30–40% of sales, they say kids still get that game. That's why some say the bans should be allowed. Reporting live, Don Tongish, the 33 News.